Welcome to day 16 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Can you believe we're more than halfway done already? I hope you've been keeping up with all of those habits that we've been doing, shining our sinks, dressing to shoes, etc. Be sure to check the tracker if you haven't done so already so that we can keep up with all of those habits. Today we're going to explore the FlyLady website one more time. We're going to go to a different corner that we might not have already explored, such as the morning musings, ask FlyLady a questions, and the like. Be sure to set your timer for 15 minutes so we don't get lost, and let's explore the website. You may find some new things today that you'll be looking forward to implementing after the 31 days are over. There's also now a bundle that you can put in your control journal. If you haven't started yours already, I highly recommend doing so, and check out the bundle below. It's absolutely for free. There's quite a lot of habits already, and I hope that you have been seeing a difference on just how much they add up, whether it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes. I hope you can see the drastic results already. So far in the morning, we have been dressing to shoes, making our bed, doing a 2-minute hotspot, a 15-minute email declutter. We've also been doing a cleaning mission, and if you want to follow along in details with that, be sure to join the Homemakers circle. We have also been doing, whether morning or afternoon, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, and in the evening we have been shining our sinks, picking out our clothes the night before, and checking our calendars. Don't forget every single morning to dress to shoes, and all day be saying kind words to ourselves rather than the negative ones. Get your free printables down below, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 17 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.